I'm going to shoot a little video on my newly completed 1970 Dodge Challenger Convertible. Turned out nice. I'm going to just do a walk around on it. Just a real quick walk around. I'm getting ready to load it in the trailer and store it for the winter. I wanted to get a picture of it. Turned out great. Got a nice little vanity plate here. Interior turned out great. Got the dash all restored. It's all looking good. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick here. If I can find it. Turned out very nice. Got a nice little sound to it. All good. And that'll be the end of that.